The gurgling sound in a washing machine drain pipe can be caused by issues with the plumbing system or pressure imbalance. To understand and address this problem, it is essential to examine the possible causes and their corresponding solutions. One primary reason for the gurgling noise is blockages in the pipes, which can be described as air pockets that trap air, leading to the formation of gas bubbles that produce the distinct gurgling sound. These blockages can result from a buildup of debris, grease, or foreign objects in the plumbing system. To resolve this issue, using a plumbing snake to clear the blockages in the drain pipe or vent is a viable solution. In cases where the washing machine and sink share a blocked plumbing vent, negative air pressure can occur, causing gurgling as air is pulled through the sink drain. To fix this problem, it may be necessary to seek professional assistance to identify and address vent blockages, structural defects, or inefficiencies in the venting system that contribute to the gurgling sound. Proper maintenance and repairs of the vent can help restore optimal airflow and eliminate the gurgling concerns. Additionally, pressure imbalance can also lead to gurgling sounds. When there is excessive pressure in one pipe, such as the washing machine drain, it can force air from other parts of the plumbing system, resulting in gurgling sounds in sinks. To resolve this issue, it is crucial to regulate water flow, ensure proper venting, and maintain consistent pressure levels throughout the plumbing system. Adjusting pressure regulators and vent configurations can also help balance the system, thereby mitigating the gurgling sounds caused by pressure differentials. By understanding and addressing these causes, it is possible to fix the gurgling sound in the washing machine drain pipe and maintain a well-functioning plumbing system.